What's up guys, it's Mel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do DIY lash clusters. So if you want your lashes to turn out like this, then stay tuned. So I got everything off of Amazon. I will insert a picture somewhere on the screen because I can't link stuff in the description yet. Today I'm using this B&Q lash clusters, and yeah, they look so cute. I got the B28 D-Mix. The glue that I'm using today is this Ardell Lash Light. I think it's what it's called, glue. I know it's professional glue, but I've been seeing a lot of people use it on TikTok. They said it has really good hold. Then I got the Ardell remover. Here it is, to remove the glue. I wasn't sure if you're supposed to wash your lash clusters like they're individuals, but just in case, I got this lash bath. And it came with these, a little spoolie and a brush, as well as this, like to put water in it to clean it. And then, you know, you'll need this little tool right here to pick up your lashes. So we're gonna get into the video. So I'm gonna get y'all a little closer so that way y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, when you guys are putting on your lash clusters, always make sure that you don't put it on your waterline, and instead you put it on your lash line so that way you don't get any glue in your eye. So I will also insert a picture of the fan that I'm using. I also got it from Amazon.